Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing 10 proven tips to help you regrow your hair faster using natural ingredients. Hair loss and slow hair growth can be frustrating, but don't worry, because these tips will provide you with effective solutions that you can easily incorporate into your hair care routine. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, Scalp Massage with Essential Oils. Start by massaging your scalp using a few drops of essential oils such as rosemary, lavender, or peppermint. This stimulates blood circulation to the hair follicles, promoting hair growth. Repeat this massage at least once a week for optimal results. Tip number 2, Aloe Vera Gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp. Aloe vera contains enzymes that nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Use this treatment twice a week for best results. Tip number 3, Onion Juice. Extract juice from an onion and apply it to your scalp. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which helps in regenerating hair follicles and improving blood circulation. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Apply this treatment twice a week for noticeable hair growth. Tip number 4, Coconut Milk. Extract fresh coconut milk and apply it to your scalp and hair. Coconut milk is packed with essential nutrients and proteins that promote hair growth. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse it off with a gentle shampoo. Repeat this treatment once a week for visible results. Tip number 5, Egg Mask. Beat an egg and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair, massaging it gently. Eggs are rich in proteins and vitamins that nourish the hair and promote growth. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse with cold water. Use this mask once a week for healthier and faster growing hair. Tip number 6, Green Tea Rinse. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. After shampooing, rinse your hair with the cooled green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. Use this rinse once or twice a week for best results. Tip number 7, Fenugreek Seeds. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Grind the soaked seeds into a fine paste and apply it to your scalp. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which encourage hair growth. Leave the paste on for 30 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Apply this treatment twice a week for visible hair regrowth. Tip number 8, Castor Oil. Warm up some castor oil and apply it to your scalp using a gentle massage. Castor oil promotes blood circulation, stimulates hair growth, and strengthens hair follicles. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Use this treatment once or twice a week for effective results. Tip number 9, Balanced Diet and Supplements. Ensure you have a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Include foods like leafy greens, fish, nuts, and eggs in your meals. Additionally, consider taking supplements like biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids, as they support hair growth from within. Tip number 10, Avoid heat styling and tight hairstyles. Limit the use of heat styling tools like straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on your hair and cause breakage. Allow your hair to air dry whenever possible and opt for loose hairstyles to minimize damage. Conclusion. There you have it, 10 proven tips to regrow your hair faster using natural ingredients. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair regrowth. Incorporate these tips into your regular hair care routine, and you'll start seeing noticeable improvements over time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay beautiful and take care of your hair.